Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shapes on MS Word. So first of all, I want to open MS Word. For opening it, I'm just going to create a new blank document. For adding shapes here on the top, you can see here many options, and here as an option, you can see here insert. Click on that. From here as an option, you can see here shapes. Click on that. And from here, you can just choose the shape that you wanted. And you can just add a text on the shape like this. And if you want to change the color of the shape, here you can see a symbol like this. Click on that. And from here, you can just change it like this. So this is how you can add shape on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.